India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
And breaking news coming in, India Today scooped out details of Rakul Preet's grilling by the NCP. Rakul Preet allegedly confessed to her 2018 drug chats with Rhea Chakraborty. That's the big breaking story we're breaking on India Today. Rakul Preet has claimed that Rhea was asking for drugs that were lying at Rakul's house, has denied consuming drugs. Remember, Rhea said that Rakul took drugs. Rakul also refused knowing any peddler. But that's the latest that is coming in right there. Divyesh is now joining us for the latest. Divyesh, if you could just tell us the latest coming in as far as what you've scooped, the details of Rakul Preet's grilling by the NCP. She has gone ahead and confessed that she had a drug chat with Rhea Chakraborty, claiming that Rhea was asking her for drugs that were lying at Rakul's house. Number one, why were there drugs at Rakul's house? Number two, it's her claim that Rhea was asking for drugs. What's going on?
Yeah, Chaiti, sources from NCB have told us that Rakul Preet, while being questioned regarding the possible drug link and also on basis of Rhea Chakraborty's statement that Rakul had on multiple occasions consumed drugs, she has said that she had spoken to Rhea Chakraborty regarding drugs, but these were not her drugs. These were meant for Rhea Chakraborty. Those were just kept at her residence, and that is what she was asking for. That is what the communication was regarding. But as of now, she has denied consuming drugs herself. As of now, she is denied procuring drugs herself. She's just mentioned that these drugs were kept at her residence, but those belonged to Rhea Chakraborty. But NCB officials we here are not believing her claim. She's being grilled, she's being interrogated. There's heightened activity over here. You can see police officials have just cordoned the area. There's heightened activity at the guest house.
Yes.
But the gates are shut. As of now, it seems somebody could walk out. There are two people inside the guest house. Karishma Prakash, the Quant talent manager, and Rakul Preet Singh, who are being interrogated. Police officials have gathered at the entrance gate. There are chances that Rakul Preet Singh, as we'd heard, that she could be questioned till the lunchtime, after which Karishma Prakash would be grilled by NCB officials and Rakul would be allowed to leave for the day. But she could be summoned again. As of now, we just see that there's heightened activity over here. Police officials have gathered at the entrance gate of the guest house.
But you know, one question here, Divyesh, is what are you picking up from the NCB as well? These are WhatsApp chats. Are these even admissible? Does this even prove guilt? These are just admissions that have been made. So it is one person saying something against the other, and that's exactly what the news breaking is all about. At the moment, what does the NCB plan to do? Are they looking at a wider drug net to really go to the source of the drug peddlers and see who are the ones who are into the business of supplying drugs in Mumbai?
Very good question, Chaiti. NCB, Narcotics Control Bureau, is a premier anti-narcotics agency of the country. It's a federal agency. So their mandate is to target or focus on the bigger cartels, the bigger supply chain, the network, the origin of these drugs, and target those so that the supply chain could be cut. Usually, drug peddlers who peddle drugs on the streets of Mumbai or any other part of the country, there are law enforcement agencies, there are police agencies, anti-narcotics cell of local police which handles or takes action against such peddlers. NCB generally looks after cases which involve huge quantities, factories manufacturing banned synthetic drugs, controlled substances, precursors, and activities like international cartels smuggling drugs into the country, interstate smuggling of banned narcotic drugs. But this time, they have initiated first of its kind probe where on basis of WhatsApp chats, they are probing a complete network. They are probing a complete cartel, a drug syndicate, which the NCB claims. Basis of WhatsApp chats, which they call it as primary evidence, they are recording testimonies, they are recording statements of
Yes.
people, they are recording statements of suspects. Rakul Preet Singh right now
Right.
is a suspect.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.